Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a notification bar to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to grab your visitors' attention with important announcements, promotions, or any key message you want displayed at the top of your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First things first, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you click this, a drop-down selection will appear showing you all the sites connected to your account. From here, you can preview the website settings you have and make absolutely sure that this is the website you wish to add a notification bar to. It's important to double check because you don't want to accidentally edit the wrong site if you're managing multiple projects. Once you've confirmed you're working on the correct website, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this at the top part of your screen, typically sitting right beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen, where all the magic happens. To start adding your notification bar, open a new browser window and head to commonninja.com. Make sure to log into your Common Ninja account if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the plus Explore Catalog button. A library of widgets will appear, giving you access to tons of customization options. From here, locate the search bar and type in notification bar. You'll see several results pop up. Hover your cursor over the first result and click on the plus Create Notification Bar button. You'll now be directed to the widget customization and designing page. This is where you'll shape your notification bar to match your exact needs. Start by customizing your notification bar, add the text you want displayed, include button text and the button URL if you want visitors to click through to a specific page. You can also add an image to make your notification bar more visually appealing. Once you've got your content sorted, click on the Look and Feel section. From here, you can change the design and color scheme of your notification bar to best suit your website theme. Take your time adjusting these settings until everything looks just right. Once you're happy with your configuration, simply click on Save Changes. A small window will appear stating that your widget is ready. Click on Copy Code to grab the embed code you'll need in the next step. Now head back to your Wix website editor. To add this notification bar widget, start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. The menu will expand, showing you various elements you can use to customize your website. From here, locate the Embed Code section and click on it. Under the popular embed options, look for Embed HTML and click on the plus button. It will automatically be added to your website canvas. Once added, a code editor window will appear. This is where you'll paste the code from the widget you just created. Simply paste it into this window and click on Update. And that's it. Your notification bar is now live on your Wix website, ready to capture your visitors' attention with whatever message you've set up. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.